Hi guys, we're back again with another episode of My Wife Forced Me to Do. Today I'll be sharing with you guys another idea of growing your plants, of how to grow your plants. Uh, Instead of using a grow tent, which is bigger and use more space, I use this clear container, about 200 liters. Uh, if you could get the one with the clear lid, that's really good. This is also clear, but it just has some pink color. But that's fine with me because a bunch of my plants are pink. What do you need to do to grow your plants in here? First, you need sand. You need to lay down some sand about an inch thick. The sand need to be clean. I clean them uh, just one time actually, and then I spray them with uh, Phyton 20. I think that's what it's called. It helps with bacteria and fungi. Now, before you put your plants in, you just need to soak it in water like this, like I do, for at least half an hour at least. Then you could just lift the plant up and put it in the container. Now, for the first couple of days, you need to keep an eye on for the humidity level. You need to check if there's um, water vapor on the container or not. If it is, that's okay, that's good. And if the leaves are not wilting, that's a good sign. But if it does, you need to spray some more water uh, to your plants. What I would do is I would lift off all the plants, and then I would spray the water onto the sand to make the sand wet, and then your plant will suck off that water and it'll be okay. Now this works for me. I live in Thailand, and this is what the weather is like. Normally the humidity level is about 50% during the morning, but it drops a bit during midday and then it will increase again. It works fine for me. I placed the box under some shed under the garage. It grows fine. I didn't water, uh, I didn't spray extra water in the box for about almost 4 months, and it still holds the moisture inside. So I would say it works pretty well, but depends on where you live too. If your condition is somehow similar to mine, it will probably work.